Hello YouTube. It is Burbazooka. Unpleasant smell of armpits? 5 natural solutions to eliminate it. It is not necessary to resort to the help of purchased chemicals, because you can always use the antibacterial properties of some plants to kill bacteria and get rid of the unpleasant odor of the body. Contrary to popular belief, an unpleasant smell of armpits can appear not only because of a lack of hygiene. This is just one of the reasons, but there are others. They are associated with factors that are much more difficult to control. Most often this problem appears in people with a lot of apocrine glands, those that allow the body to get rid of sweat. An unpleasant smell of armpits arises from the activity of bacteria that multiply in this zone. Sweat and dead cells begin to decompose, releasing fetid volatile substances. Of course, this is not the most serious problem, and you can find a solution, but people who for some reason cannot control it, feel uncomfortable, they lose confidence and suffer from low self-esteem. Fortunately, there are alternative means of natural origin, which even with regular use will not cause side effects. They will help to remove the unpleasant smell of the armpits. Do you also know this problem? Then be sure to try them in action. 1. Rosemary. Rosemary has antiperspirant and antibacterial properties that can neutralize the unpleasant odor caused by the multiplication of bacteria in the armpits. Of course, you can use purchased deodorants, including this ingredient in its composition, but do not forget that rosemary is effective and in its natural form. Ingredients: 3 tablespoons fresh rosemary, 45 grams. 1 glass of water, 250 milliliters. Cooking method: pour the water into a saucepan, put on fire, add rosemary and bring to a boil. Wait 5 minutes. Then remove from heat and allow to cool. Strain and pour into the selected container. Mode of application: wash your armpits with the resulting infusion of rosemary 2 or 3 times a day. 2. Witch hazel. Natural witch hazel extract has astringent and antibacterial properties. This remedy will help remove dead cells from the surface of the skin and kill the microbes that have accumulated in the armpits. Active witch hazel compounds regulate the pH of sensitive skin, and still give a feeling of impeccable cleanliness and freshness. Ingredients: 5 tablespoons witch hazel, 75 grams. 1 glass of water, 250 milliliters. Cooking method: prepare an infusion of witch hazel. Then cool and strain. Mode of application: spray the resulting liquid on the armpit area and let it absorb. If necessary, repeat this procedure 2-3 times a day. 3. Sage and tomato juice. Sage is one of the most popular means for fighting excessive sweating and unpleasant body odor. We recommend strengthening its properties by adding tomato juice. So you will get 100% natural homemade deodorant. Ingredients: 5 fresh sage leaves. 6 tablespoons tomato juice, 90 milliliters. Cooking method: chop the leaves of sage and mix them with tomato juice, so that you get a paste. Mode of application: apply the resulting mixture to the underarm area and leave to act for 20 minutes. Rinse with warm water and repeat the procedure every day. 4. Rice flour and tea tree essential oil. This recipe combines the absorbency of rice flour and the antibacterial properties of the essential oil of tea tree. As a result, you will get an effective remedy against sweat and unpleasant odor. This formula is suitable for sensitive skin, as it does not cause allergy or does not change the pH level. Ingredients: 3 tablespoons rice flour,